Oh, yes. I'm somewhat concerned about the justices of the United States not realizing the importance of the actual named petitioner being the real ex parte party that initiates any matter before the court that happens to be um, used to deprive Americans of life, liberty, or property. Now, I had given an example once where the court commissioner thought he was judge, jury, and the parties named. Now, not having any parties to a court hearing, not having a respondent because there was no notice or opportunity to be heard, not having a petitioner because the ex parte party did not institute the court hearing. How many Supreme how many Supreme Court justices of each and every state and the United States think that they themselves do not require parties to any sort of lawsuit? I know you're sitting there, and you had some decision that you made, some opinion as a Supreme Court justice, where they always kind of name it Ogerfell versus Hodges. Yes, Citizens United versus Feck. Now there's usually two parties in each of this. It says versus, right, right. And I'm not talking biblical here, okay? There's one party and then the adverse party. Yes. There's one petitioner, right, and there's one respondent, right. But for some reason, Clallam County thought that they could do the one thing that no one's ever done before. There would be no verses, as in versus. It's not verses. There's no biblical constant. Now I know. You're a good Christian man and you have a difficult time thinking of good and evil. But there is no possible way. Let's look through it. Okay. Since the initiation of the United States of America, how many court cases have never had a versus versus? Of all the court cases that the Supreme Court of the United States has ever heard of since it first began way back in 1776, how many court cases in the United States of America have not had any parties?